Stephanie Hall is expecting her first child and is doing all she can to give her baby the best start to life. She's getting her free whooping cough vaccination to protect herself and her baby.
Little sting.
There's so much going on when you're a first-time mum and there's information overload that for me it was really important to make sure that I had Bub's health at the top of my priority list.
Vaccinating in pregnancy actually reduces the baby's risk of getting whooping cough by about 90%.
But only 34% of expectant mothers take up the recommended vaccinations in pregnancy. And Queensland Health says there's been a spike in whooping cough cases.
This year across the state, we've had roughly a 50% increase in diagnoses of whooping cough, which is really terrible news.
Whooping cough is the most common infection causing death in babies under 2 months of age. And of all whooping cough admissions to hospital, more than 40% are babies under 6 months.
When a baby contracts whooping cough, it gets severe respiratory problems and it can even die. It's a really worrying infection for young babies, particularly those who are too young to get vaccinated.
Because there has been a spike in whooping cough incidences in Queensland, I've been really proactive in making sure that my family and friends have been vaccinated for whooping cough as well.
Women can now get vaccinated earlier in their pregnancy at 20 weeks gestation rather than 24 weeks.
It gives women a greater window of opportunity to actually have their vaccination so that they don't miss out the protective benefits for their newborn baby. And also it actually will afford babies who are born premature a level of immunity as well.
190 Queenslanders have been admitted to hospital with the condition so far this year. Louisa Rebgetz, ABC News, Brisbane.